Okay, so let's continue on page 25, number 31. Okay, this time, the measure of angle AOB equals 6x plus 5. The measure of angle BOC equals 4x minus 2. The measure of angle AOC equals 8x plus 21. See how those angles relate to each other here. AOB and BOC are adjacent angles. They share a ray. And then we've got angle AOC, which is the combination of those two. So this is really simple, just the angle addition postulate, adding two angles to equal the entire combined angle. If it helps, kind of just sketch the part that you actually need. If you cover up this part here, you see this turns into a very simple problem like that. So the measure of angle AOB plus the measure of angle BOC equals the larger combination of those two angles, the measure of angle AOC. Okay, and then you're just going to do substitution. You've got several things that you can sub in. For AOB, you can sub in 6x plus 5. For BOC, you've got 4x minus 2. And for the measure of angle AOC, you've got 8x plus 21. And then you'll have an expression or an equation that you can solve. And that would be it. Okay, let's go on to the next one, the last one, number 32. This is cool because it's some problem solving. You're definitely going to have to do a sketch to help you out. Q is in the interior of right angle PRS. I know that's kind of confusing there with that right angle and then using the symbol angle, but that's what they're saying. It's a right angle. We can sketch that. Just a rough sketch. And it's PRS. And we got a point Q in the interior. And yeah, they're going to talk about all three of these angles, so we're going to put a ray from R through Q, and it says that the measure of angle PRQ is 4 times as large as the measure of angle QRS. So in other words, if this was X, and this one's 4 times the size of this angle, we can just write 4 times X. Okay. And we know that this is a right angle. So we know if we add X plus 4X, it should equal 90 degrees. Okay. So you're basically saying 4X plus X equals 90 degrees. Solve for X. Once you find X, make sure you're actually answering the question, which is what is the measure of angle PRQ. I don't want to give it all away, but this will really get you going. Alright, that's it.